Do you know what Earth's atmosphere is composed of? Well, you're about to find out. Picture this. If you could gather all the air around the Earth and distill it into a cocktail, what would you find in your atmospheric concoction? The answer might surprise you. The most abundant ingredient in this cocktail, making up a whopping 78% of the mix, is nitrogen. Yes, nitrogen, a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that doesn't react much with other elements. Now let's stir in the second most abundant gas, oxygen. Oxygen makes up about 21% of our atmospheric cocktail. It's the breath of life, the gas that our bodies need to convert food into energy. It's also the gas that supports all forms of combustion, but remember, it's only a fifth of what's in the atmosphere, not the whole shebang. So we've got nitrogen and oxygen making up 99% of the atmosphere. But what about the remaining 1%? That's where things get really interesting. This final 1% is a mix of many different gases. There's argon, a noble gas that doesn't react much with other elements, making up about 0.93%. Then, there's carbon dioxide, a gas that plants use for photosynthesis and that humans and animals exhale, making up about 0.04%. There's also a tiny amount of neon, helium, methane, krypton, and hydrogen, among others. And don't forget about water vapor. While its percentage varies from practically zero in cold, dry air to up to 4% in hot, humid air, it plays a crucial role in weather and climate. So to summarize, Earth's atmosphere is a complex cocktail of many different gases. Nitrogen is the main ingredient, making up 78% of the mix. Oxygen, the gas that supports life and combustion, is the second most abundant gas, making up 21%. The final 1% is a mix of many different gases, including argon, carbon dioxide, neon, helium, methane, krypton, and hydrogen, along with varying amounts of water vapor. It's fascinating, isn't it? This invisible blanket of gases that surrounds us is so much more than just air. It's a life-sustaining mix of elements, each playing its own unique role in supporting life on Earth.